So here is some overview of Sweat Wallet app. Just for you to know, this app is not available in all countries, in all App Store countries, because it's a crypto app. Probably there are some regulations, but it should be available in European app stores. So this app is kind of a continuation to Sweatcoin app. So here we have Sweatcoin, and then Sweatcoin walking step tracker. It pays to walk, so basically you can just walk, and then you can earn some Sweat crypto. And then finally there is a Sweat Wallet app where you can get that crypto. So you can just log in with your Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet app. Here is like a standard DeFi crypto app, so it has a lot of these instruments where you can see your balance. You can see your Sweat transactions. So basically for every steps you're earning some Sweat, and then you can see what's available. Unlocking rate 20 Sweat per month. Unlocked so far 56. So yeah, we have matched the Sweat coins with Sweat to reward past movement at launch. This gift will gradually unlock over 24 months, starting 13 September. So as you can see, I've got much more. I've got like 558 Sweat, but available only 65 because they are not unlocking everything at one time. I was using Sweatcoin app for a while, so that's what it is. Then I can just transfer my Sweat, so I can just send it to someone. I can request. I can grow. So I can, the more Sweat you have staked in grow jars, the more amazing rewards you will be able to claim. So you can view all the rewards. So that's basically that. Exchange went in the other assets coming soon. It's not available yet. Add coming soon. If you want to buy Sweat with bank card, it's also not yet available. So this app is still in a very early stages. So don't expect that you were walking with Sweatcoin, you were running like 20 kilometers per day. You earned like thousands and thousands of Sweatcoin. And then you can unlock with this app and just exchange it to a lot of Ethereum or something like that. So it's not happening yet, but it's the idea for the future. So then you have your Nft Gallery, and then you can also grow here, and then there are also some rewards. So Nft Gallery is empty. Soon you can receive your favorite NFTs from your Near wallet. Then you can grow jar rewards. The more Sweat you have staked in growth jar, the more amazing rewards you will be able to claim. So you can just view all rewards. And there you have them here. You can mint more Sweat voting rights. VIP Sweat community only for top Sweat holders. So it will be coming soon. It's a private community channel for top Sweat holders. Grows the required amount of Sweat to access the channel. So you need to have 100,000 of Sweat. Newsletter. So here lower transaction fees. Sweatcoin premium. And so that's also coming. So these are all the rewards which you can have here. And then you can see current balance, and then you can just tap grow more Sweat. Select a growth jar. And then you can just select the duration of the growth jar. So that's basically the idea. You can stake it here. So, and then in top left you have your profile, you have your name, username. It's not possible to change it or change the profile picture. But yeah, there you have it. Again, the issue with this app is like it's not fully available in the US or UK App Store, in some other countries as well. So it's only available in limited amount of countries, similar as you have like Binance.com, and then there is Binance for US app, the separate app, probably because there are some crypto regulations and stuff like that. But maybe in the future this app will extend. Yeah. And then you can see step exchange rate. So you can read more. Sweat is designed to be more difficult to mint with time. Your steps today will mint more sweat than your steps tomorrow. So this preserves the token by contributing to a decrease in the rate of inflation. We have introduced many other deflationary mechanisms which you can learn about on our website. So today, like you can earn one sweat just with 1k steps, just with 1000 steps. But in 2025, one sweat is only 7.3k. Is more than like 7k steps. And then in 2028, to earn just one sweat, you will need 18,000 steps. So that's basically, that's the token architecture here, as you can see. That's basically the idea how it works, and it will be much more difficult to get that more token in future. So that's basically it. And then you can see that 7 days ago, in 1 year, I will need 2000 steps to earn just one sweat. So just hurry up. So just get Sweat Wallet, and if you to create an account in Sweat Wallet, you need to first install Sweatcoin app, or you need to have some invitation email. So just install that, and then you will be able to create an account in Sweatcoin, and then you log in with Sweatcoin to Sweat Wallet, and Sweatcoin app is basically connected to your Sweat Wallet, and then you will be able to link your health kit data from iOS, and that's basically how it works. So you don't need some additional Apple Watch or anything. So you just bring your phone with yourself, and after that it just counts your step regular like any other app. It is connected to this health kit. So that's basically the idea. So interesting app for sure. Definitely give it a try, and maybe you never know anything about this crypto world. Like there is a bear market right now. It can be boom in future. So check it out, give it a try. Maybe it can be a really good idea for that. Again, you can explore more. There is a learning section here where FAQ about sweat economy, where you can just learn more about it.